Hey nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. I know, today we are going to be making Auntie's, I call it my Southwestern chicken salad. But I'm going to be making this my Southwestern chicken salad with some Mojito chicken in it. And my version of the pico de gallo, okay? So we're going to get started, and if you're running through my kitchen, you see my cabinet open because I've been a busy bee today. Had some things going on today. So give me a moment. I don't have to do a flip and a flip. You know what I'm talking about. And for those of you that are running through this kitchen, I hope you grab a seat, hit that like and subscribe button so you too can become a part of my big happy family. Okay, and be a niece and a nephew. So we're going to get started, and I'll show you everything that you need to make this Auntie's Southwestern salad. Again, with the Mojito lime chicken, I'm going to be making my avocado lime salad dressing. Okay, that's right, my avocado lime salad dressing. All right, so give me a moment. We're going to get started. Now you guys know how I talk about that, this is just the Tyson grilled chicken chunks. Remember I talk about how boring they are because they're bland, no flavor, nothing. They just plain old chicken chunks. What I'm going to do, I have some olive oil already in this teeny weeny pan over here. And I'm going to just add a little bit, drizzle, just a little bit on here, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to add I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice on here. Just a little bit. That look like it's about a teaspoon and a half of lime juice. Now you can use a fresh lime. I have some limes in the refrigerator, but I didn't feel like going over there cutting up lime, squeezing, and doing all that other stuff. So what I'm going to do with this, I want to take, this is my Mojito lime. I'm going to take a tablespoon, this is a half a tablespoon of this, and going to get me a glove. And I'm going to massage all of this. And if I don't think I have enough Mojito lime, I'll add some more. And I think I will add another half a tablespoon, so that way I'm adding 2 tablespoons. There are no measurements to this because you add as much as you like to your tasting. Okay? And so what I'm going to do is get my pan over here and get my oil heated. And I'm just going to be sauteing this. I'm just adding some heats to give it some flavor. Because I do want my chicken somewhat with, just a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to let this heat up, and I'll be right back, nieces and nephews, and friends, of course. Okay, so I'm going to just add my chicken here. And I'm not trying to cook the chicken because it's already cooked. I'm doing this to give it some flavor. That's what I'm doing with this, is giving it some flavor. That's all I'm doing. This is what I'm doing, giving it some flavor. So I'm going to let this cook down a little bit. Not cook down. Get this some seasoning. Get this all to where I want it to be. Like I said, you're not cooking this because it's already seasoned. I just want my oil and the Mojito lime seasoning that I have on here. I just want it all seasoned, well seasoned into this chicken. And the only way to get that done, to get the lime juice with that Mojito lime seasoning and with this oil, is to do it over heat. It has to be done over heat. So I'm going to let this saute this down, and I'll be right back. I added a little more of that Mojito line seasoning to it. And see, doesn't this look better than that old plain, boring, plain white chicken? So I'm going to add it back into this bowl. Throw this over here for a little housekeeping. And got the chicken already. So we're going to start on the salad dressing. Okay, so I'm going to let, because I need this area. So I'll be right back, friends and family. Okay, now that we have our chicken out the way, now let's start on my avocado lime dressing. Okay, I'm going to have, this is what I have. I'm using 3/4 cup of avocado, and I added a half a teaspoon of garlic. So I'm going to throw that in my NutriBullet and throw that over there for housekeeping. Okay, got that down. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin light olive oil, so I throw that in there. I have, this is 3 tablespoons of sour cream. It makes it creamy, so I throw that in there, and I make sure I get all of that goodness out of here, in which I am going to use a spoon to make sure I get all that goodness out of here. Don't want to leave anything in there. None of that goodness in there. Throw it in there. And and this is my red onion. If you like a lot of red onions, that's up to you. You can add a lot of red onion. So what I'm doing, this is a fourth, about a, this is probably about a tablespoon and a half of red onion. I throw that in there. I do that for flavor, for some extra flavor. And that, you don't have to necessarily use it. I have a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon, this is Mediterranean sea salt, and a half a teaspoon of ground peppercorns. I have 4 tablespoons of water, and I have 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Okay, now you know lime juice is bitter, people, so you can taste it. If you want a little sweetie to it, you can add that to it. Now the avocado that I use, now this is a small avocado, and they have to be ripe and soft. They have to be ripe and soft, family. So to get that much avocado, this is an avocado. I use 1 avocado and half of 1.5 of small avocados, and I'm going to use the rest of that to decorate the salad. Okay, so it won't go to waste. Won't go to waste at all, family. So I'm going to put that in here, and we're going to get the blending. This thing got a suction on it. You want it nice and creamy. Leave that alone for about a minute. Okay, family, it's been a minute. Actually, it's been a minute and a half. And I added 1 more tablespoon of lime juice. Okay, these are my cups because this salad is going to go to 2 subs. 2 local subs. So what I'm going to do is I need to get my handy dandy spoon out of here. So I'm going to, look, here it is. Nice and smooth, creamy texture. Good salad dressing. Good. So I am going to spoon this into the little condiment cups. This is my sister's favorite salad dressing. Yes, this is my sister's favorite salad dressing. Yes, this is Yep, so this goes over here. See if I can get some more. This recipe is enough to cover these 2 salads that I'm making. Now you want more, you can double it, triple it. But when I would take my salads to work, when I would take my own food, because I would pre-make my salads, I only made enough to make salads for 2 days, or make one for me and my good buddy Priscilla, because we would always bring each other lunches and stuff like that, because I just love feeding my good buddy, and she loved feeding me too. So throw that over there, and we're gonna, so let me get my, so let me go get my salads, and I'll be back. Move this out of the way, some housekeeping, and Auntie be back. Oh, put some tops on these and get these in the fridge. Look there. Can you guys see it? Look like key lime pudding, don't it? Key lime cake, key lime ice cream, but it's not. This is avocado lime salad dressing. It's just as creamy. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just, Auntie's well grilling some corn. I just sprayed this pan with some Pam, and I'm gonna let this corn just sit here. It's just corn, that came out of a can. That's all I'm doing. It's just corn that came out of a can. Nothing special about it. I'm just gonna let it sit there like that. Just all it is. Straight corn from a can. And I'm gonna leave this like this for about a minute or so, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what the corn looks like. That's, like I said, all I wanted to do, just grill it a little. That's it. Turn this off. It started to pop out the pan like popcorn. That's all I wanted to do is just grill it. That's it. And since I will have 2 salads, I'm going to evenly divide this into 2. This will be divided into 2. So there will be 2. Okay, now I need to go get I already have my salad bowls prepped. College.